This video walks you through how to delete a test customer in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are in, take a moment to make sure the account is in test mode before you continue. This matters because you only want to remove the test customer, not a live customer record. In the Stripe dashboard, test mode is usually shown clearly in the interface, so confirm that setting first and then move on. With test mode active, go to the left-hand menu and select Customers. This opens the customer list for your Stripe account. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the full list appears. You are looking for the test customer record you want to remove, so use the customer list to find the correct entry before opening it. Select the test customer you want to delete. This will open that customer's details page where you can review the record you are about to remove. It is worth checking that you open the right customer, especially if you have several test records with similar names or activity. Once you are on the correct customer page, stay there and look to the upper right corner. In the upper right area of the customer page, click the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional actions for that customer record. After you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Delete Customer. Stripe will then show a confirmation message before the deletion happens. Read that message carefully so you know this action is permanent for the test customer record you selected. This is the point where Stripe gives you one more chance to confirm that you are deleting the correct customer and that you are still working in test mode. If everything looks correct, click Delete Customer to confirm. Once you do that, Stripe will permanently delete the selected test customer from your account's test data. Depending on the dashboard response, the page may update right away or return you to the customer list after the deletion is processed. If you are reviewing the result afterward, the deleted test customer should no longer appear in your customer records in test mode. If you still see the record, refresh the page and check again, but do not repeat the deletion unless the customer is clearly still present in the list. The important part is confirming the correct customer before the final click, since this action removes that test record permanently. Your selected test customer has now been permanently deleted from Stripe in test mode.